Hi there, today I would like to show you how to do this wheel, and you can see right here I'll be using these dimensions with that, and sometimes I need to add those up to get the diameter of the circle, as well as this dimension in here, 0.050, and this says it's a radius of 0.250, so we will use a diameter of 0.5 during that time. We'll be doing some new things, and so it'll be fun and exciting to be able to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and just slide this right on over to my other screen so that I can take a look at those dimensions when I need to. And so first of all, we'll go new. This is in inches, so we'll go English, Standard, and Create. And then we'll start a 2D sketch on the XY plane. And I will just go ahead and start with the first circle, the one on the inside. So we'll go right there, and that will be 0.340, hit enter. And then we'll do another circle. That's going to be 0.440 and enter. And then we'll do yet another circle. This one's going to be bigger. This one's going to be 1.140 and hit enter. And we'll go even one larger than that. And that will be 1.240 and then hit enter. Perfect. So then we'll finish that sketch. You can hit escape if you'd like to. So we've got 0.340, 0.440, 1.140, and 1.240. So that's interesting. There we go. Finish the sketch. And then we'll extrude those out. And the distance needs to be 0.57. So let's go ahead and extrude those. And we'll, instead of 1 inch, which would be almost twice as far as it needs to be, 0.57, a little bit over half an inch. Let's choose this outside circle. Be careful not to choose the inside circle, because that's not what we want. The outside circle, and we want to choose, I'm going to turn this so that I can see. I probably should have done that inside circle first. And that ring right there. So the outside ring and the inside ring would be the best way to explain that. And then click OK. And we can click on the house. And that looks good. So right now, that's just kind of floating in the air, that centerpiece. But we are going to connect that up in just a moment. And we're going to do that by creating a sketch on this surface. I'll get it a little bit bigger so I can get this surface that I want. Click and create a sketch on that. We will want to get that a little bit smaller. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a circle from that center point. Turns purple and it's 0.440. That's good. Then we'll make another circle from that center point to this circle here, which is 1.140. Click there. So we have the two circles. We can hit escape, and then we're going to finish the sketch. And from that, I am going to create material in between those two circles and going in both directions, which is really fun. So this is, I think, probably the first time you've seen this. So the first thing we want to figure out, let's change the distance. That needs to be 0.050, and we will want it to go in both directions. So it's important that you choose the symmetric, this one right here. So we've got that number right. We want to be symmetric. We want this first one to be done. Now we're going to come over here and choose this shape. And click on that. It'll go in both directions, 0.050, so 0.025 in each direction. Click on that, and you'll notice, and then click OK. You'll notice how that turned out. So we've got a little bit of material coming out and a little bit of material coming in. Now, of course, you can't really see it on the inside, but you can trust it's there because we clicked on symmetric. And so now we've got this coming together really well, and now it's a matter of getting these spokes made. So let's go ahead and create a sketch on what we just made. So go ahead and create a sketch there. And we'll make a circle from this point right here. You can see where it lines up, it turns purple, and we'll click there. And the size of that circle actually needs to be 0.50 and then hit enter. Nice. So that's turned out well. And we also want to do another circle from the center to this point right here, which is 1.140 again. And we'll hit escape. So we've got those two circles, and we just do need to trim off some material that we don't want to use. So we'll go ahead and come up to here where it says trim. It's got a little like scissors on it. Click on there, and then you'll trim off this excess circle here, and we'll trim off this circle here, because all we want really is the shape right here. Then we'll hit escape. And now we're going to use something that you haven't seen before. We're going to go up to this circular pattern, and we'll go ahead and click on that. And now it's looking for the geometry. What do you want to repeat in a circular pattern? So you'll click on this arc right here, and we'll be clicking on this arc right here. And let's hold on one second. Let me pause. Okay, we're back at it again. And so we have, the last thing it did is it was looking for the geometry, and I chose that line and this line, and that is the geometry. Now it's looking for a circle that the radius that it would go around. So you click on this axis, and you'll click on this circle here, and it actually gives you 6 of them, but I believe we're only looking for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to change the 6 to a 5. And you can see it gives you an outline of all those. It's really neat. It makes it very easy. You don't have to do each one. And then you click OK. And you have all those shapes right there. So we'll finish that sketch. And then we'll just extrude or cut those out using extrude. So we'll go to cut and then through all. And then we just need to choose the shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It didn't choose this shape for some reason. It did that time. And that should do it for us. Let's go ahead and click OK. How does that look? I think it looks pretty cool. We got the spokes and got the axle in there. The only thing now that we can do is maybe make it a different color. What color should we make it? Let's go up to default and see if we can find, maybe, let's try expanded metal 4. What will that do? Oh boy, we don't want that. That doesn't work. Let's just go with maybe foil gold. What will that do? That looks pretty cool. We'll keep that. And we got a gold tire, spent a lot of money on that one. And that is all there really is to it. You will want to go ahead and click on save and then type in wheel. And then save that. And that's all there is to it. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day. Bye.